Hello, my friends. This is the video that I made on NIO 11 days ago, to be precise, on April the 20th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $3.53. And at this very point, my main assumption was that we have to retest this range of resistance at $3.63. And with the second attempt, and we had a first attempt to break it right here, with the second attempt, we should break it to the upside. Then we have to see some kind of retracement, and depending on the volume, on the structure, and on the levels that this retracement might hit, I can make a conclusion in which direction this asset will go within the next several days or weeks. And guys, take a look right here. Let's switch to 15 minutes time frame. And let's zoom into this price action. We were at this point, and since I made my previous video, this asset broke this range of resistance. We had the next leg to the upside that, to be honest, hit a bit higher levels that I anticipated. But for now, guys, we are in the retracement mode, and this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. By the way, right before my previous video, I made another video. And I also told you that this asset should not break this range with the first attempt, and it also happened as predicted. So guys, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And for now, guys, I have three tiers. It is Discord Access tier, Safe Haven, and Gold tier. And if you want to just be in line with all the latest news and with the most recent actions and potential upcoming actions of the US stock market, it is more than enough to join just Discord Access. If you want me to cover your personal position, and if you want me to create a plan for you to invest in stock market, Safe Haven is for you. The only difference in between these two tiers is that on Safe Haven tier you will have a monthly 30-minute Zoom call session with me. And the Gold tier is for people who want to take the most from my experience and from my knowledge. And in this tier you will have a 30 minutes weekly Zoom call with me, where I will teach you how to beat the market. On top of that, guys, for the members of this tier, I will give my personal signals where to enter and where to leave the position. I will do it when market conditions are more predictable for swing positions. So, and let me give you a sneak peek on the Discord group. You can see that I publish a lot of updates on the market, and as you can see, I even make predictions of its upcoming movements. And if you follow my channel for quite some time, you know that I have a very high level of experience in this type of trades. And guys, in this Discord group, I explain a lot to my patrons, and I do a lot of technical analysis on demand on different assets. Here is the general sentiment of the market on April the 10th. Here is INTC, ISRG, here is JD, RKLB, MSTR, and other ticker symbols. You can see that I do it pretty much 2 or 3 times a week. And all of my community members know how to benefit out of these market conditions.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and where we are on the price chart, I have to admit that this asset broke its previous swing high, and technically speaking, it is a very good sign. But on the other hand, guys, this structure from its swing low at around $3.03 to this swing high, well, to be honest, I don't like it very much, and I will explain you what I'm talking about. And first of all, let me explain why this asset has a substantial movement from its lowest point, and it gained within just last, I would say, couple of weeks about 45% to its value, and definitely it is a very good achievement. So the main reason is definitely their sales, and we have an update that was made by cnavpost.com on April 29th. It's titled China EV Insurance Registrations for the Week Ending April 27. NIO 6,500 vehicles, ONVO 1,470 vehicles. And if you compare it with Tesla, I have to say that the numbers are quite comparable. So you can see that this results is higher by 29.17% from the previous week. And definitely, if we take a look at the chart of these insurance registrations, we have basically 3 weeks in a row with an increasing number of their insurance registrations. And the last week is the second week, best second week, I would say, ever for NIO brand. And this record was set right before the new year. On top of that, guys, take a look right here. This article was published just yesterday, and it is the delivery numbers for NIO. And NIO delivers 23,900 cars in April. It's second highest ever. And we have pretty much a very good potential beginning of the trend. And let me quote the subtitle. The NIO main brand delivered 19,269 vehicles in April, with ONVO at 4.4 thousand and Firefly at 231 units. The NIO main brand deliveries in April were up 88.56% from March, while ONVO slipped 1.71%. So guys, let's take a look at other charts. Here you can see that by brand, NIO didn't break basically several months of the last year. And if you take a look, wait a second, let me show you right here the insurance registrations again by other brands. And if we compare it with, for example, Xpeng, you can see that other companies don't have this increase in their sales. And this means, guys, as you can see, Tesla has this increase, but this means potentially NIO has found their path to much bigger sales. And if so, guys, potentially this might be the lowest point for its share price. But let's continue with the technical analysis. And before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, why I don't like, to be honest, this type of structure to the upside. I told you in my previous video that we have to see 5 waves movement to the upside with a 3 waves retracement. In this case, it should be a perfect 1-2 setup with the anticipation of the major third wave. But for now, guys, let me show you like this. I don't need this tool and I don't need this tool anymore. We have just 3 wave structure to the upside. And this structure, guys, this structure is also debatable. From this bottom to this top, I can count 3 waves and I can count 5 waves as well. It is quite controversial, but if it is the 5 wave movement, if it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In this case, guys, from this bottom we have 3 waves, let me mark it like this, A, B and C, and 5 waves. And this is nothing else but another ABC on a bigger scale. And if it is an ABC, this means we are not out of the woods. We cannot identify a clear trend with just a 3 wave movement. But at the same time, guys, we have crucial levels again. And for now, the bullish signs of its movement is this one. They broke this level of resistance, its previous swing high that was established on April the 1st. And for now, guys, it bounces out of this range. It's pretty much out of the same range just on yesterday's session. On top of that, guys, NIO is up by 3.82% on pre-market hours on today's session. And if it breaks this top, I would say that potentially we might have we will have even more signs that confirms that this is the local bottom for NIO. And the next price target, if it breaks this swing high, will be the levels of about $5.4. But definitely we have to see more support from the fundamental news, and the main news that will drive the price of NIO higher is definitely their deliveries. The second news that is, for now, in my opinion, might be quite important is that Donald Trump might say something in terms of the relief in the tensions between China and US tariffs war. And in this case, NIO will also, the price of the share price of NIO will also go to the upside. Otherwise, guys, if it continues to go to the downside, let me identify some crucial levels. First of all, if it breaks $3.42 mark, it will pretty much invalidate the bull count, at least in the medium-term perspective. Another level of resistance, level of support that previously was the level of resistance is again $3.63, $3.70. This level of previous swing high. And let's do some measurements from algorithm. From the algorithm point of view, they use just swing high, swing low, and 50% retracement levels. It is 3.74 level. It is pretty much confluence with this range. This means, guys, let me show you like this. I don't need this tool for now. Let me show you like this. If this asset breaks this green rectangle, potentially it can land somewhere here, but it has to have a reaction. If it has a reaction that will break its previous swing high, this asset will be more on bullish territory. Otherwise, it will have longer, at least longer consolidation phase, but everything will depend on their delivery numbers. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys in those next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap.